Hey, fellow YouTubers! I'm the truck. I come to you from Clarfield, Utah, baby. And today, guys, we got a brand new truck. I got this, I think it was Thursday, I believe. But yeah, let's just say it was sometime this week. But I got a brand new truck. I said goodbye to my 2021 Pit UltraLoft on April 6th, I believe. Yeah, it was April 6th. And yeah, guys, this is my new ride. It's a 2024 Peterbilt 579 with the 80-inch UltraLoft sleeper. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. So, starting at the front, we have a chrome front bumper, stainless steel grill, like the typical Peterbilt stainless grill. See, it's not gonna break. And I did put a bumper guard on this one. This one's the, I believe it's the LT350. Yeah, it is the LT350. So, basically how that works is you have this single hand release latch system right there. You just pull on it and you lower it down, just like that. And this one, and sorry for the one noise, if there is any. So let's open up the hood here. And yeah, guys, I got this brand new truck. On the 6th, which I believe was a Thursday or a Friday, or possibly Wednesday. But yeah, let's just say April 6th is when I got this new truck. Yeah. So, alright. So, let's go ahead and take a look around the hot side of the motor here. See, I usually start on the hot side with the Peterbilts, because what they do is they put the safety latch on the driver's side, and if I flip it too soon, it might close the hood on me. So I'm starting on this side of the engine here. So, hot side of the motor, Cummins X15. This one's a 500 horse with the split torque motor. It's with 1650 torque on the pedal and about 1850 torque on cruise control. And it features a 12-speed automated transmission in it. So it's a 12-speed full endurance automated transmission that's in this truck. So yeah, you got the best of both worlds with this transmission. You can either shift automatically, like I'm an automatic guy, or you can shift manually, just with the little button on the end of the steering wheel, or actually on the end of the shifter, and which I'll attach a link to a video on PACCAR's new Endurance XD Pro 18-speed tranny in a 2023 P389. In Lone Star Blue. So, yeah. This is the hot side of your Cummins. You got the turbo right there. I got the washer fluid down here. And, yeah. And HVAC system is up here. Let's take a look around the other side here for a second. And then we're going to show you around the outside after I've done underneath the hood. So this is the other side of your Cummins X15. You got your oil check right here, which occasionally it doesn't need to be messed with very often. Or occasionally it doesn't need to be filled very often. But if it does leak a little bit of oil, you can just easily pour it in to this oil fill right here. So, yeah. And over here we got your power steering. So, yeah. And coolant up there. So, yeah. As from what you can see, I'm still used to the whole body style 579s. So this is pretty compact in here. And it's also stuffed under the hood, too. But it's a 500 horse. So, should be good, reliable truck. Yeah. So, let's go and close this hood here. Lock that into place. Now let's show you around the outside really quickly. So this one has a 13-tier front with, I don't know if you can see it in there, but it has steering, axle, disc brakes. So yep, I'm not sure if you saw that brake on there. And the color on this thing is fantastic. We got the sun out right there. So I'm going to give you guys a really good shot of this metal flake. This is legendary blue. And this is diamond white. So, yeah. Just an absolutely stunning color. And like I said, I got the chrome front bumper. And I got the bright mirrors and the bright visor. And, yeah. We got the full skirts to the back of the sleeper. And again, like I said, this is the 80-inch UltraLoft. And taking a look around the back here. Really no difference, but what you may notice is I used to have the antennas on the front of the truck. I now scooted it back here. Me personally, I like having a cleaner look on the front of the truck. But yeah, I did make a mistake. And here comes the Mack truck coming through here. Sorry about that. I can easily get distracted. But anyway, let's go. Keep on going with the rest of the truck. I got the CB antenna on the back. And, I smell a dead skunk somewhere. That's not good. And, over here, we got LED load lights in this truck. So, yeah, I got that in there. So, yeah, that just turned out really nice. So, got that right there. So, yeah. And I got the 31-inch United Pacific stainless steel quarter fenders. Those turned out nice. And I got Bridgestone M713s on the back here. Peterbilt ovals. Peterbilt low air leaf suspension. Got the Meritor 40,000 pound rear ends with a 3 1/4 gear set. It's just the standard highway lock, so it's just the inter-axle diff lock. Over on this side here, we got the Holland FW35 fifth wheel. with a 24-inch air slide. And I got a Carrier APU on this truck. This one's a battery-powered unit. So I got that. And as you can see with the exhaust right there, that tells you this has the S-bar bunk heater on it. See if I got the S-bar bunk heater, which I can use that if my APU ever goes out. So yeah, if your APU goes down, I can still have heat. But yeah. And for fuel tanks, I got the fuel tanks inside the fairings. This one is a 150. And over on the other side, I think it's a 120. Let me just check that. So, yeah. So, yeah. This one is a 120 on the driver's side with a medium-sized def tank, about 20 gallons. So, let's take a look inside here. We got the platinum interior. This one's not the silver wood, which to be honest with you, it doesn't look that great in my opinion. So I got the I think it's called the gold wood grain in here. Which what that gives you is you're gonna get some brown on the bottom and the top of the steering wheel if you do order the leather wrap. So yeah. On the inside here we got power locks, power windows, power mirrors, and heated mirrors. I got the standard arrow mirrors on here. Yeah. Oh, and I got the straight air lines on this truck and the electrical line. So I got that right there. So on the inside here, I'm not gonna bother starting the truck up because it's plenty warm in here. See, but I already warmed up in here. But yeah, see, I'm not gonna start the truck up because you guys obviously know what a Cummins sounds like. And two, I don't feel like wasting fuel. You know. But you will get to hear it. Alright, you will get to see it in action sometime soon. Yeah. And I did set this thing up to idle at about 650 RPMs, which, see, I set it up so that way it idles just like a Packard engine. And, yeah. Anyways, back to the interior. This one has a leather steering wheel. Feels really nice on the touch. You got cruise control on the left. And you got your phone controls, radio source, and these three buttons in the middle are what you use to control the 15-inch digital display up there. And then these are your radio controls. Volume up or down or mute option in there, which actually turned out pretty nice. Let's see here. So, and totally different than an 80-inch Peterbilt sleeper, which would be the mid-roof. I might attach a picture up here of a mid-roof Peterbilt 579. So yeah, I might attach a picture up here. So, yeah. And it's going to be on your top right corner of your screen. Or actually, sorry. I'm going to put it like somewhere right there. And so yeah, totally different than an 80-inch Unibuilt sleeper is I can actually stand up in here. Man, these UltraLofts are wonderful. And over here, I got some storage up here. You can fit your paper logs in there. Over on this side, we got the same thing. And you got storage all across the front. I already got my CB in there. And down here, I got my GPS right there. And I got the Peterbilt Smart Nav system. And I got my Qualcomm system, which I'm on a 34-hour reset until Monday, the 10th. So that's about, I think today's the 7th. Sorry, it's the 8th. I did say it was the 7th, but yesterday it was the 7th. But, yeah, today's the 8th, which is a Saturday. So, yeah, got that right there. For switches, I got the trailer brakes. I got the engine fan. So, yeah. And we got your traction control in case you ever need to turn it off when you're in slippery conditions. You can use all your traction that you might need on your tires. So, yeah. Got right there. And I got the auxiliary lights for the chicken lights that are on the side right there. You can see that in the mirror. And there's a good shot of the hood mirrors right there. I prefer those ones better because they're definitely way more aerodynamic than the round ones. And plus they look nicer too. So, I'm a big fan of the square mirrors because it just makes the truck more aerodynamic. And which, I don't know if you saw it, but I do have the aerodynamic chassis skirts. Which, I did mention that. And I got my DPF regen, air dump, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but it does have an air ride front axle on it. With dual leveling valves. So it's kind of my standard spec. And you got your DPF, air dump to lower your airbags, sleeper lights, and over here, you got your inner axle diff lock, PTO switch, fifth wheel slide. So, yeah, very nice setup in here. And I did forget to tell you this, but this truck does have LED headlights and LED fog lights in there, which is really nice. So, yeah. I got that set up there. So, yeah. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys that when I was on the outside. But there's a good look at the cab there. All your storage, all that stuff. Oh, it just looks amazing in here. And, I did forget to show you guys this setup here. Let me get around here. Okay, so over here, this is your lights that are on the back of the cab. This is your front dome lights, which are those. This one over here, and the one up top there. So if you flick that, it turns on your dome lights. So, yeah, got that right there. And I might just keep, alright, now I'll just keep it off because I got plenty of light in here. And I did take off the covers on the windows. Yeah, you know me, I like to have daylight coming in through the truck. Don't like it dark in here. But yeah, let's take a look in the sleeper. This one is a double bunk. And this just happened today, but I had 300 subscribers. So, thank you guys so much. And quick shout out to two of my friends. We got Kevin and Tanya, who run the Joy of Trucking. They deserve a shout out. And we got another one of my friends who goes to school with me, Kyra. So Kyra, if you're watching this, you deserve a shout out. Oh yeah! That was, Steve. They gave me the honk. That was cool. So, yeah. But yeah, I got distracted again. Oh. So pretty much over here, I got storage drawer down there. I got my fridge, in which I already have my food in there. And up here, this is your closet, right there. And got that there. And pretty much, oh, and up there, I got storage for a CPAP, which I already got one in there. Or actually, I have two in here. There's the other one. Take a look here. This is the storage for the microwave, which I already got mine in there. It's the same microwave as what I used to have in Big Red. Which, it's already at the dealership for Rush Truck Centers in Denver, Colorado. And I'm sure you heard it, but Denver, Colorado is actually the place where I got this new truck. Right here. Yeah, it's kind of surprising. And over here I got my control panel. So, you got your carry APU controls with the buck heater. This is your inverter. Over here, we got the comfort control for when the truck is running. In which I won't be idling this truck very much because I got an APU on this truck, in which it's running right now. So yeah, I got a door locks. This is your sleeper lights, your alarm clock, and you got 3 12 volts here. So, very, very nice truck. So I thought I'd share this one with you. And I hope to take this out for a spin. Or I hope to be getting some driving vlogs here shortly. So, make sure you guys stay tuned for my next trucking vlog, which is going to be on the 10th of April. So, you guys, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, so that way you don't miss out on any future content. And I actually got this truck a bath, too. I forgot to tell you that. So, it's nice and clean, baby. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button in your right-hand corner. And don't forget the notification bell. And as always, keep the rubber side down, shiny side up. And I will catch you all soon. It's Sam with Sam the Truck Spotter. Thanks, and bye for now.